first came out here. I mean,
he's my buddy. He's driving today, so he's doing pretty good. Good shape, good life. He's enjoying here. He's from Arkansas.
Arkansas, really.
Live in Santa Monica. Are you? Or you live around here?
I live over close to Venice Beach.
Oh, close to Venice Beach. All right,
Yeah,
all right. That's where we. That's where we left. We just left.
We just left Santa Monica. No, yeah, we just left Venice. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is just for my YouTube video, my vlog. So I can try in Hollywood. Hollywood Sign, right? What's the name of that place? Hollywood Sign?
That's what we're headed.
Okay. Hollywood Sign lang mga kaldo na. Kaldo na silang dito niya. Right.
That's what they'll block it.
Right.
But it'll come back up.
Okay. Alright.
Maybe. I don't think.
If not, it don't matter, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go there anyway. So just want to see from the street view.
I know.
Yeah.
I know. That's why.
Here, Tlang at Los Angeles Film School. Well, you want to be actor? Go to that school, I guess.
Director.
Yeah. Okay, I think there's no view here. That's where we're heading to. So Hollywood Sign, lang. Whoa. Okay. Closer. We're closer. Hollywood Sign. Here again, London. I'm gonna climb up there, take picture, take some videos, and leave. And feel the breeze. Feel the breeze, I guess. Should be nice up there, right? You should feel one day, man. Ask your daughter to bring you over, you know? Right?
Well, I mean, even before doing Uber.
Yeah. But you just don't climb up there, that's it.
Yeah.
I got your point, man.
You can hike up there.
Yeah.
Close, but you ain't gonna go all the way to
Yeah,
it.
but I don't think I'm, who's this girl, man? I don't think I can hike up there too because I just work out on a beach, you know?
Yeah. What I'm saying is you can't hike
I'll be
all
so
the way
tired.
to it. That you're prohibited from going all the way to it as well.
Okay. So there's a certain point, okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Yeah, I'll talk to the employee or whoever worked there. That should be right.
I don't think so, man. It's not like that.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just a sign.
All right, the sign. Gotcha.
It's protected.
Okay.
Fencing, all that stuff.
Break the rules, not the law, right?
Hey. I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah. Well, the word says it all, man. Break the rules, not the law. That's how it's fun in the world, right?
Mm-hmm.
But the law will give me, send me to prison or whatever, but not the rules, man. People make rules. Government make laws, right?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. That's silence young thought. So vâng ai này mình có lưu sign hẳn một tổ can em đi tới gần thì hay là okay, I think we'll cross paths sometime, right? Be safe and make money, okay?
Be safe, bro.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Take care. All right. Thank you, man. Lại trên ngành lon sầu mà khi lại cái sign nào mà tiếng lo nghe chú cái hello nine hiking. We're gonna hike up there. There we go. Hollywood sign om naka khi lại cái nom ta chú ngạc khen. Lại trong hiện. Kalau pengen potong kerja lo nama saya, terjun senang cakap. Kat tu mania, kulai akanin, ni cina kan din kaum na dewa kan. sign chuan patangkhang a chho thei to lo ti ta khom je chu ta point sign hi en le tai la hi chho ru chu lam thin tho anga kong bel da hian ma but let's see restricted entry no hiking allowed to the holding sign violator subject to arrest and it's 103 fine LAMC 57.25.21B okay chin tay la chiang deu da lang ka kal phau to lan chin chu ni thau ma se ran man lem long chu ma right chiang tai ka ya bao chu thlen thei to lo hi a top ta ma sa khi hong phiang ti lo ngan ni maybe I can climb up there. What do you guys think?
Is that?
They climb up there?
Yeah, there's like a
Over here?
There's a
Yeah.
gate right there.
Okay.
You can get over.
and then like up and around.
That's
It's easy to get.
okay. Sounds good. You guys don't go up there?
We
just
did
came
this, like,
down.
hard,
Oh.
like rocky trail. that
Oh,
went
okay.
This side and then we came down this way.
We
Is it
went up
allowed?
behind
Is it allowed to go up there or?
Yeah, you can go
There's
all the
people
way.
up behind the sign.
Yeah, you
Oh.
can get all the way behind the sign.
But I saw the sign up, over here, like here, everywhere. So
Yeah,
what's
you
going
can
on?
get a good picture right there if you just walk
Okay.
around up there.
And then from there, if I want to go up there,
Yeah.
can I still go there? That same way, right?
Yeah, there's a paved trail
Okay.
all the way around. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Like pretty fast.
Okay.
You would come back down.
Uh-huh. So I'm not gonna end up in jail, huh?
No.
I'm not ready for that. Yeah, not today. Thank you, guys. Non vero. So maybe I'll go up there, I don't know, but sign, so what do it sign to? Kenny. Lại siêu trong motor cầu thế nó sẽ ôm về thôi. Cầu sầu lại phát cái thang lâm bằng. Road sign om na thang. Mizoram ang le này. So LA Kopui. Los Angeles. Công ty Kopui chơi này. Chắc chắn là chắc chắn là hotel chứ. Hay là cái này. Soalnya telang via beduk. Mana? Alright. lắm đi là to hay mình có tu right to trong thápนี่เวลาขี่ตะปบมาคันนี้จะกระโจนบังคันนี่ตาชวนฮอลลีวูดฮอลล์ออฟเฟมลำปังตัวนักการนักกองจังเฮียนินอัปปอนเตียอูเบอร์ไดรเวอร์คันเตียโปเลยโปโลจูโปเลยโปโลจูอันชินังอาจจะฉุกตัวเรียนข้ากันตอนโชว์ฟังฟังกันตอนโชว์ฟังฟังมาตัวปอกฉุกนักกองที่รีวิวไม่เท่นี่ติดต่อหลักล้อโชว์เลยครับส่วนที่เราจะพิกับนัสปอตคันนี้ตาส่วนฉุกก็เกียร์ฉุกรังไงมินสอบปังอาเวลกันแล้วเนี่ยก็ไปสิช่วยทำจุเกียร์น่าดูเที่ยว alrightนี่สรุปกันได้หุ่นที่ฮอลลีวูดฮอลล์ออฟเฟมสีกาอันนี้ตาชวนมูฟี่สตาร์มูฟี่สตาร์ไหนสันซ่อนสุดแล้วใส่เอาเงินเปต่อไม่รอก็เพียงเอาที่นั่นเองScarlett Johansson Jackman X-Men
All souvenirs, $5. You need anything from Hollywood. Bam.
I'll take this one. I'll take this one. How much is it? William. Yep. Jackie Chan guy is cool. I like it. Dwayne Johnson. Cái điều cái là phụ số là vậy. Dần cái này mà cái điều. Cái điều cái phụ số hẳn kia là cái ngày sáng. Quên tâm lá mày. That's a Hollywood sign. One. I'm looking for Bian Hun Lee. Can't find him.
You okay? Take it.
I'll take it.
That's
Thank you.
your blessing right there.
Thank you.
Praise God.
Cảm ơn con lâu thì tao vẽ đó. See that thing? That's what we sang cẩn. Không mày. Restroom. Mình bố thầy mình don't lòng là restroom đúng không? Like that. That's me right there. Có môi cả hay chứ. The Godfather. The Godfather. Back to the bar. Look at the animal. Apple juice. Yeah. Hey, got so nothing. Restaurant bar. Cup. That's how you do it, right? Ikan tinggal nih. There we go. Okay. Till next time, buddy. Korea có đòn xin huna. Còn làm về ngay tụi check in tao. Busy video lo chuan. All right. Beverly Hills akan Kallang. That's our next stop.
Good, Today is Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday night.
More.
Yeah.